Okay, now let's proceed to classified documents. So these documents refers to the document and other records that the government considered sensitive and must be protected. Ibig sabihin, aminin mga document nga top secret. For example, top secret document. Diri pwede i-share sa public or diri i-news or diri pwede i-disseminate to the public. Excuse me. Example of classified document is the report of operation of PNP or sige PNP na lang since we are talking about the PNP QDED. Okay, when PNP group mag-ooperate or may dadadakpon or may mga tawag ini may mga operation, may it be in the city or in the urban or rural areas. Ito nga mga document that states hanira paglakat, hanira operation, kung hirahinon mga upod, ano oras malakat, diin ma-standby, that is considered as a classified document kasi diri pwede i-share. An operation must be a classified operation. And the document nga nag-state kung state nira operation should be classified, should considered as classified document. Next, we have ancient document. So, ancient document is more than 30 years kept in a place where it is normally to be found is genuine and not embellished by any alteration. For example, an libro ni libro ni Einstein dere nala. Diary ni Einstein. Ang diary ni Einstein considered as an ancient document kasi maihan ni Einstein nga nabuhi, maihan na lot nga patay. So his diary nga natago usa nga place na kung diin hiya normally nga mabibilngan. For example, ditohan iya library or ditohan iya office, ato la ito na preserve la ito dito ang iyang mga gamit. Nga naglagpas na 30 to 40 years na ito dito nga waray kalalabti. Ito nga mga dokumento dito are considered as ancient document. Next, question document, disputed document. Let's differentiate these two. So, ang question document is any document about which some issue has been raised or placed under scrutiny. It is a document that has been questioned in a whole or in part with respect to its authenticity, an iya identity, an iyat origin or iya gintikangan, or its relation among its parts and other things. While the disputed document is a term suggesting that there is an argument or controversy over the document and strictly speaking this true meaning. So, an question document, ang dokumento kuno may issue na raise hitong nga mismo nga document ngan an an question document parang ko question an iya pagiging original, an iya identity han document, ang gintikangan han document nga iya mga an relation among the other of its parts. Undisputed naman, term lahiya nga ginsusuggest sa ginagamit kung may the argument or controversy over the document. For example, unquestioned document. For example of a question document, cheque. Ang cheque question document iya kay may an iya perma is ang perma nga nakabutang dito ang cheque is dili parehas perma hantag ada ang cheque. Kaya question ang authenticity kung original ba ito, kung antag ada ba ang cheque nga nito nga perma usa, an identity han perma nga nan origin kung hino ang nagperma. Amo ito ang question ang mismo nga document. While ang disputed document naman Ginggamit hiya kung may da argumento or kontrobersya han usa nga document and strictly speaking this true meaning. May dispute. For example, as I've said kanina ini nga libro duha ang nagka-claim. May dispute over this document. Okay? Ang question document ang mismo nga nagpakasurat didto ang mga ang i-authenticity niya pagiging original amon gin ko question pero ha dispute ginaagawan or may argument between parties on a specific document. Okay? Next, there are classification of document. Document with question signature, most common nga hinatarbo, especially sa mga land titles or mga titulo nga gimbaligya. Next is mga deed of sale, mga cheque, yan. Document containing fraudulent alteration, any form of changes, either in addition or deletion to the contents of the document. Holograph document, a document that is completely written and signed by one person. Document question as to the material used in the production. Document question as to their age or date. Documents involving typewriting, document which may identify a person through handwriting. Yes, kaya ma-identify kung hino ang tawo nga nagsulat ng specific document. Genuine documents erroneously or fraudulently attacked or disputed, and documents containing printing or type prints. So nature and classification. Ay, ay, ay.